Hello to all my friends out there. So this is Practical Prepper, and this video is working on your indoor garden every day. Okay, so if you work on your garden every day, just like you exercise every day, just like you stockpile every day, just like you brush your teeth every day, you're going to be more successful. So the point of growing an indoor garden is to be more self-sustaining. Also, you know, if anything was to happen and you had the ability to grow food and your food was inside where nobody could steal it, you would be better off. Okay, I just started this, so I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do, but it seems to be coming along nicely. Okay, this is my best plant, and this is a cucumber. Another thing about this is these are these are cucumbers and these are zucchinis. So this is and the zucchinis didn't necessarily sprout the fastest. So once you get them sprouted, all you have to do is watch them, and then when the time comes, you can replant them. So that's what I did here. So I have, let's see, what do I have? I have planted successfully cucumbers, successfully zucchini. I have I think I see some. Ooh, some squash. I have successfully planted tomatoes, and I have planted in place of the cucumbers, bell peppers, and you can see my videos. And then I have this picture here to remind myself to prep for the dog. One of the things I prepped was a tent that I could use for my dog or myself. I prepped blankets. I bought really nice blankets for him so he would be warm. And I prepped some dog snacks. And I wanted to mention that Freakin' Frugal was able to get dog food out of the dumpsters. So that might be a resource for prepping for your dog. So, okay, now. So now here is these three. You know, I was surprised how fast the zucchini and the cucumber sprouted. I expected more along these lines. So these three plants here are these yellow squash. And I mean, even if you can generate, say, 6, 8, 10 plants, you're going to come up with quite a bit of food. And then these are all the tomatoes. I'm going to let them get a little bit bigger before I repot them. Okay, so now this video is prepping every day. Okay, so I wisely read my comments because the comments are really good. And so somebody mentioned that you could start your plants from green onions. So I thought, you know, in the day they didn't have 99-cent only. So as you can see, I have a few roots on my onion, and I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna make some chili. Okay, so I needed green onions for my salad. So let's see. Let me see. Okay, look at this one. I will select this one because it has some good looking roots. What I'm going to do is plant them all. I don't know what's going to happen. Part of the thing is being willing to try. Just try. Another thing is if you can get the hang of it, these plants can be, so I poked some little holes. I think the trick is finding a nice sharp knife. So I need two pots. And I bought the potting soil. Technical difficulties. I bought the potting soil at 99 cents. I found this stuff to be good. I'm going to I already got one more bag but I can see from the way my plants are going, I'm going to need more potting soil. So I've been using this, and I want liquid fertilizer, you know, but I of course, you know me, I got to get so I just want a couple little pieces of fertilizer. Let me tell you, this stuff is like hard to cut, really hard. It's just hard to cut. This is not a dull knife. So what I want to do is encourage all of you preppers to start an indoor garden. You can start it indoors, and then if you want, you can move it outside. Here, when I first moved here, if you've been following me, you may remember my orchids were infested with moths a lot. And then, you know, when I tried to move the stuff inside, then you know, I had moths a lot, and, you know, I just don't want. Another thing, though, this is for if you live in an apartment, if you live in a place where your food would be stolen, but mainly, you know, you want to get any crop. Okay, I'm going to put. And so this is working on my stockpile today. So in this one, I will put the onion. Now, I expect some failures. I don't know if all of my things are going to be as stunningly successful as my my sprouting from seeds. I don't know that. But what I'm hoping might possibly happen is some of you out there goes, yeah, I'm going to try that. Oops. If you want to do this and you don't have any potting soil and you don't have any fertilizer, just get some dirt outside. Dirt outside would be better. And then you want to water whenever you plant something, and it's that simple. That is as easy as it is. Okay, you guys, I'll be back with some chili. And God bless you all.